my channel, and if you guys are new over here, my name is Sarala. So today is day 3 of 7-day speaking challenge. So what is the challenge today? Let me tell you. But before that, if still you are not watching my past videos like day 1 and day 2 videos yet, so please go and watch those videos. I'll leave the link in the description, and also I can mention in the iCards. Okay, and please give it a like and share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Without wasting your precious time, let's dive into the video. Today video is going to be a little bit different and also challenging. If your life was a movie, then how you are going to create your life? So that is the main concept. Just imagine you are the main character of your movie. Okay, so what will you create? Like an inspirational movie, or a dramatic movie, or a romantic movie, or else any funny movie. What it would be? You are like a hero or heroine. Just imagine. Okay, so then you can narrate about the story. I really thought a lot before making this video, guys, about this concept. So why I choose this particular concept means, so what I personally believe is everybody has their own story in their life, right? So if you are thinking about that story, then you will definitely write a concept or write a movie concept, I would say, right? So I thought like that, and you just, what you should do is just sit in a chair and so take a pen and paper. Then you should think about your life. Okay, if you think that I don't have that much of time, at least 1 or 2 minutes, think about your life. So what is your life and how was going everything? So you just imagine about your life, and also how you are going to live your life in future. So you have to think about it once. Okay, then you definitely knew about your story. You have to write whatever thoughts in your brain in a piece of paper. Okay, then you should read that story. If you read that story, then you will definitely feel very happy. Trust me, because I did it. That's why I'm saying in front of you. So when you are written the story, then you should narrate it, okay, with your own words. Okay, so that is the challenge today. So I'm going to give a demo about my story. Okay, so this is not any copyright story. It is completely a real story and narrated by me. Okay, so, ladies and gentlemen, are you guys ready? Because it's time for the movie. The movie name is The Girl Who Never Gave Up. Caption: My Life, My Movie. So let's dive into the main story. Once there was a girl. She was so cute and happy child. Her parents loved a lot and pampered a lot. If she asked or she said, I want that ice cream at midnight, they definitely bought for her. She all the time played with her cousins, and all the time she watches cartoons. She thought that life was just fun, sleep and food. That's it. She started school in Telugu medium. So everything was super good, and everything was simple and lot of friends. But in 6th standard, she changed in English medium. So everything got changed. She didn't know what the word is actually in English. So, but she never ever said to herself that I can't. She always said to herself, let me try. So she believed that learning is a journey, not a race. Okay, and she couldn't say that I never ever learn this language or learn these words. She always tried from the scratch. Okay, then she learned everything and she got good marks. And after that, when she was in 7th and 8th and 9th standards, she was literally very active. She was full of extrovert in her school time. She had a lot of friends, and she is little bit curious to talk with lot of people, and also she mingle with everyone. Okay, and she was bold and also very confident person to talk with anyone. And also she participated in every curriculum activity, and she had lot of memories in her school time. But life, my friends, is not always like a fairy tale, right? Later in intermediate, she faced some financial problems, and she saw her parents struggling for the money, and quietly she observed everything, and she said to herself that I want to do something, but she don't know what to do. And she changed inside, and she that's when she was become an introvert person, and she is not ready to talk with anyone, and she's calmly stayed at home. She felt like she lost something in her life. Okay, it is not a problems, I would say. It's completely happiness, I would say. But she never ever gave up, guys. In her degree, she started searching about how to earn money, and she promised herself that I'm not going to be silent anymore, and I have to do something. Then she searches about how to earn money a lot, and she got a job in school, and she taught students. She earned some salary. Okay, so of course that salary is not much, but on that particular situation, that money is really really precious for her and very important for her. So she paid her own bill, and some money gave to her parents. Okay, and after that she learned a lot of things in her life. So on that particular place, she learned how to be like an independent girl, and also she learned self learning. And days passed away, corona came, and one day she watches some videos in YouTube channels. So slightly she had that interest to speak this language. Then she started practice her English in front of the mirror, and also recording herself in a mobile phone. But nobody is supported her, like their friends or anybody. Okay, so their parents was supported her a lot. Okay, a lot of people laughed, but she never care about them. She always thinks about one day I will definitely achieve that fluency. Okay, and daily she practiced her English, and while she was going in a bus, she just listened to motivational speeches, and she was listening to a lot of podcasts. She was trying to speak in English even though nobody was listening, because she had a goal, and that goal gave her strength. One night an idea came. What if I share my journey in YouTube channel, or what if I start my YouTube channel? So but on that time she don't have any kind of facilities. Okay, she didn't have any followers, and she don't know what to do in YouTube channel, how to do it, videos. Okay, but she searched about it, and she learned a lot. Finally she made a video. Finally she upload that video into a YouTube channel, and she thought that if some people or watch that video, if they laugh, what should I do? But she tell to herself, no, I don't want to think like that. She always motivate herself. Okay, and then so day by day and video by video, she improved her English, and she learned English daily. And also she improved, and she grow her confidence. Of course she makes some mistakes while making some videos, but every video made her stronger. This is not just a story of struggle, this is a story of transformation. The girl who was introvert in her college, now she transformed her, she changed her into an extrovert, and she will become a bold person. She never give up even though the life was tough. She always believed in herself, and Finally, she's the heroine of her own life. And now, as the director of the movie, I want to say something. So, that girl you heard about, right? So, that girl is me. Okay, I cried, I failed, I laughed, I improved, but I never ever give up, guys, in my life. So I stand by myself all the time. But just I want to say one thing, guys, from my heart. I'm not here to talk about that my life is perfect or everything is going well. Okay, of course, sometimes I feel very happy or sometimes bad. Okay, everybody life is not same, right? Some people life is an easy way, or some people life is really hard, or some people are laughing outside, but inside they are facing a lot of struggles. But that's okay, guys, everybody life is not the same, right? But what really matters is how you face that situation and how you think about that particular situation, and how you solve that problem, and also how you can stand for yourself and how your mindset is. So that is really really important. Even your parents are struggling, or even you don't have any kind of support, you just stand by yourself. So be calm, and you should think about how to solve that problem. Okay, so that is the real mindset, I would say. So here I'm not saying that I'm a great person. Of course, I'm just a normal girl, but I never give up in my life, and I stand by myself, and I stand for my family. Okay, so whenever you got any situations, whenever you faced any problems, you can think about your family, then you have that strength to solve any problem. So don't blame anyone. Okay, so just focus on your path and improve yourself, and um, support your loved ones, because no matter how hard life gets, never give up. So this is all about my story, guys, and this is the movie directed by me and written by me and lived by me. Now it's your turn. I want to know about your story and how you are going to narrate the story, and what would be the movie title, and how is the story, and what was the message in that particular story. I want to know in the form of comments. I'm a little bit curious to read your comments as well. Okay, yes, we are at the end of the video right now. Today word of the day is resilient. Resilient means able to handle tough situation and recover quickly. So now we are going to make some sentences with it. She is a resilient girl who never give up even when life gets hard. A resilient person stays strong in bad times. Life is not easy, but being resilient helps a lot. A resilient heart always finds hope. We must be resilient always. So this is your turn, guys. You should make some sentences with resilient. Okay, so I will be ready to read your comments. And also, did you remember about the movie, right? So you should also narrate the movie in the form of comments. I will be ready to read your story as well. Okay, and movie title. So this is all about day 3 challenge, guys, and I think you liked the video. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.